Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you Boston Whaler's brand new model, 2021 22 Dauntless. What an incredible boat this is for 22 feet. You can see the look from the bow. It's just a gorgeous looking boat. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 22 Dauntless. Let's start at the back of the boat with a phenomenal power. It's the new Merc 250 Verado. It's a fantastic motor. It's quieter, it's lighter, much lighter than the normal engines. Just this boat, it's a little rocket ship. It flies. So the back of the boat, if you're fishing, you've got the seats in the back that fold down, so it's all nice fishing platforms with the non-skid, drink holders, rod holders, and the seats go up. So they double when you're going out to the beach, you're going for a ride. You got a nice comfy seat here on both sides. And then we got the helm seat with the live well behind it, very large live well, so you can hold all the bait you're gonna need. Rocket launchers on the back, and as we move to the helm area, you've got plenty of room here for a good sized GPS, so you can pick any one you want, a Furuno, or you can put a Simrad or a Garmin, whatever you want, Raymarine, you name it, you can pick whatever you want, and you can put a good size one right here. You do have the trim tabs with the Fusion stereo, digital throttle and shift. We move to the head. So it's a very large head. So you've got, for a 22-foot boat, you got plenty of room, a lot of headroom down there, good storage down to the left, and it's a pump-out head, so you don't have to touch that. Nice feature. Now up at the bow, this is where they really added a lot to this boat. This lounge seat up here, two adults, very, very comfortable. It does have a cushion that comes with it right here, and then you do have very large storage underneath. So you name it, fenders, lines, fishing equipment. You can hold a half a dozen fishing rods all in the designated storage area there. So really nice addition to the Dauntless. And then you got a large fish box, so when you can keep your fish, all the fish you can catch, plenty of room to put it in there. You can ice it down if you want to make it a big cooler as well. To plug in the power pole, it does everything well. It does inside fishing, outside fishing, going to the beach. You can drive it right up onto the beach. It does everything very, very well. So if you got any questions or would like to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.